Coordinate geometry will help us to find the distance between any two points in the Cartesian system. Before coming to Cartesian system, if I simply ask, there are 2 points in the plane and we want to find out the distance between these 2 points. The simple answer will be use the scale and find the distance. But if we know the coordinates of these 2 points, then with the help of Cartesian system, we can just find a general formula to calculate the distance between any 2 points in the Cartesian system. So first we will take some points, and if the points are on the axis, then the simple way is, for example, this is point A and this is point B. The simple way to find the distance between these 2 points will be, this is 1 and this is 4. Till here B, it is number 4. The distance between AB is 4 minus 1, that is 3 units. Similarly, if any point is over here C and the question is asked, find out the distance of OC, means the distance between point O and C. Direct we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say OC is equal to 5 units. And if I ask you the distance between B and C, so since these 2 axes are perpendicular to each other, it means that this BC can be found with the help of Pythagoras theorem. So BC square will be equals to OB square plus OC square, or we can say BC is equal to under root of OB square plus OC square. And how much is OB? 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is 4 and here it is 5. So it will be under root of 4 square plus 5 square. So that is 16 plus 25. So under root of 41. This is easy way because the points are on the axis. But if the points are not on the axis and any 2 general points are in the Cartesian system, then if we know the coordinates of these 2 points, we can find out the distance between these 2 points. So we will see a general formula to find the distance. We will see how to find out the distance between 2 points when the coordinates are given. So point P coordinates are x1, y1 and the coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. So we will derive a formula to calculate the distance between these 2 points. Some constructions we will do first. We will drop a perpendicular from this P on this x-axis, name it PM, and one perpendicular from Q, that is QN, and one more perpendicular from P on this QN we will draw, and that is PS. We have to find out the value of PQ in terms of these 2 ordered pairs. So we will consider this right angle triangle and we will use the Pythagoras theorem to calculate the value of PQ. So for that we require QS and PS. Now this PS is equal to MN. Okay? PS is equal to MN and this QS is QN minus SN. QS is QN minus SN. And when we see this PS, which is actually equals to MN, this MN can be calculated with the help of ON and ON. So this MN is ON minus ON. Now all these we will write in terms of x1, y1 and x2, y2. Point P, its x coordinate is x1, means its distance from the y-axis is x1. So this distance is x1. Similarly, this point Q, its x coordinate is x2. So its perpendicular distance from the y-axis is x2. So that distance is this much. How much? ON. So this ON is equals to is x2. Clear? So MN will be x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1. Now this QS. QS is QN. Now this QN is actually the perpendicular distance of this point Q from this axis, which is the y coordinate. So this Qn is y2 and Sn. Sn is equal to Pm, but Pm is equal to y1. So this will be y1. Okay. So this Qs is equal to y2 minus y1. So Qs we have got, and Ps also is equal to Mn, which we have got On minus Om. So Mn is equal to Ps, and that is equal to x2 minus x1. In triangle PQS. Now since this Ps is perpendicular on this Qn, it means this angle is 90 degrees. So this is a right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So PQ square is equal to QS square plus PS square. QS we have written in the form of y2 minus y1. So we will substitute the value. And PS. PS is actually Mn, and Mn is On minus Om, or x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1 the whole square. We'll just shift this and this side. Why? A plus b is b plus a. So we will write this x coordinates difference first. PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. We have to find the value of PQ, which is square root of this square. We will transpose on the other side, will become square root. The difference of abscissars square plus difference of ordinates square and its square root. This is called a distance formula. Means if we know the coordinates of 2 points in the Cartesian system, we can apply this formula to find the distance between 2 points. But now, if a point is in the Cartesian system and we have to find its distance from the origin, means one of the points is origin. Earlier we saw both the points coordinates were given, and this is the formula x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2. But if the point is given here with the coordinates x comma y, and we have to find the distance of this point from the origin. So the coordinates of origin are 0 comma 0. In that case, the distance will be, now this is x minus 0, because formula says x2 minus x1. So this is x comma y, so one ordered pair is given. So the difference of the abscissars will be x minus 0, means x only. So x square. Similarly, plus y minus 0 is y. So plus y square. So this is the formula for any point which is given in the Cartesian system, its distance from the origin. So by this and by this, you can find the distance of 2 points whose coordinates are given.